What if the moon, our ancient companion, suddenly collapsed into a black hole? The thought alone feels like something out of a nightmare, a cosmic predator silently waiting above us. Instinct tells us that Earth would be swallowed in an instant, but reality would unfold in a far stranger way, at once quieter and more unsettling. The moon holds mass, roughly 1/80th that of Earth. If all of that matter were crushed into a black hole, its gravity would remain the same as it is now. Despite its terrifying nature, this lunar black hole would continue pulling on Earth with the same force. Our orbit would stay steady, tides would still rise and fall, and the planet would not suddenly spiral into destruction. On paper, almost nothing would change, and yet, everything would feel different. Because the moon is more than its gravity. It is light, memory, and presence. For thousands of years, it has been our lantern in the night sky, a guide for travelers, a clock for farmers, and an eternal companion in myth and poetry. Its silver glow has inspired lovers and storytellers, marked the passing of time, and even shaped human language. If it vanished, replaced by a black void, the sky itself would feel wounded. Looking up, we would not see a glowing orb, but a patch of unnatural darkness, a hole where stars seem to bend around an invisible edge. This gravitational lensing would form a faint ring of distorted starlight, eerie, fragile, and haunting. The comforting face of the moon would be gone forever, replaced by a reminder that something monstrous now hangs above us. Life on Earth would soon feel the loss. Animals that rely on moonlight to hunt or hide would falter. Sea turtles and nocturnal species that navigate by its glow would lose their way. Coral reefs, which spawn in tune with lunar cycles, would fail to reproduce. Even human culture would suffer. The moon has been our calendar, our muse, our guardian in the night. Without it, darkness would feel thicker, lonelier, and less forgiving. But the moon does more than light our nights. It steadies our world. Its gravity keeps Earth's axial tilt stable, holding our seasons in balance. Without its presence, that balance would begin to wobble. Summers could grow harsher, winters more brutal, and climates across the globe would shift unpredictably. Civilization, built on the rhythm of steady seasons, would face chaos. Perhaps the strangest truth is how small the lunar black hole would be. All that mass, all that history, crushed down to something no larger than a marble. To the naked eye, it would be invisible, seen only in the way it bends starlight. Astronomers would aim their telescopes and watch stars curve unnaturally around its position, like water circling a drain. The ordinary beauty of moonlight would be replaced by the strange, alien geometry of distorted space. And while its gravity is the same, its danger would be different. Space debris wandering too close would be devoured, releasing bursts of deadly radiation. To observers on Earth, the black hole might flare with occasional flashes, like a dark lantern sparking in the heavens. Terrifying, but mesmerizing. Over centuries, small changes could accumulate. Earth's orbit might wobble, tides might shift in strange patterns, coastlines could transform, and ecosystems would collapse further. Humanity might survive, but our relationship with the sky would be forever broken. Imagine children growing up in a world without moonlight. No glowing full moon, no crescent above the horizon, no silvery guide through the night. Entire traditions, festivals, and myths would vanish with it. So, what if the moon turned into a black hole? Earth would not be torn apart in a single instant. We would still breathe, walk, and live. But the balance of life would begin to unravel quietly. The true horror would not be instant destruction, but the slow realization that the familiar can become alien overnight. That the most constant, gentle presence in our skies could transform into something strange and unrecognizable. And perhaps that is the deepest fear. Not the black hole itself, but the reminder that nothing in the universe is permanent. One shift, one collapse, and everything we thought eternal becomes fragile. The moon, the seasons, the balance of life, all of it hangs by delicate threads we barely understand.